Hey everybody, welcome to week 5. I'm just happy to be here with you again. We're going to do some interesting things in week 5, and I want to just kind of introduce them to you and see what you think. So, well, first of all, later on, at least once, maybe twice, I'm going to put together a couple of my little videos to show you about some more kind of interesting aspects, particularly of uh, conservation of energy, how that's used to solve problems. Last week we talked about, some of the labs we did concerned projectile motion, and we've talked about, that was kind of horizontal projectile motion, but what if we were launching something up into the air? I think I've had this little discussion with a couple of you offline about that. But what happens, how does gravity relate to how high we can jump, maybe differently on Mars and differently on the Earth. Now, I had another online class somewhere a while back where some students in the discussion brought it up, and so I did a little analysis on that. And I think if I remember correctly, I've not shown that to you all yet. If I have, I may show it to you again because it's kind of fun. But about how high someone can jump on Mars in comparison with how high they can jump on the Earth. So let's just think about that. And that in particular, I'm asking the question in the video, do science fiction writers ever lie to you? They do. Okay, just get over it. They do lie to us all. And also, you all have great jetpacks. Anyway, we've got to work on that lab, and I hope you have some fun looking at my video. And it's also important to get the second milestone done on your final project. I'll be looking at your milestone 1 this coming week, and if you have any questions about that, need any help, I'll be happy to just give me a call or a text. I'll be happy to try and help you out. Anyway, you guys have a really good couple days, and I will talk with you maybe on Wednesday.